Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up content syndication strategy with Outbrain step by step clearly. Begin by defining your goals for content syndication. Identify the target audience you want to reach. Create a list of content that aligns with your objectives and audience interests. Sign up for an Outbrain account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new campaign. Select the type of campaign you wish to run, such as sponsored content. Define your budget for the campaign. Choose the bidding strategy that best fits your goals. Select the geographical locations where you want your content to be displayed. Review and refine your targeting options, such as interests and demographics. Upload the content you want to syndicate, ensuring it's engaging and valuable. Craft compelling headlines and descriptions for your content. Set the desired placement options for your content. Utilize Outbrain's preview feature to see how your content. Adjust any settings based on the preview to optimize your presentation. Once satisfied with your setup, review all campaign details. Click the Launch Campaign button to set your syndication plan in motion. Monitor the campaign's performance through the Outbrain dashboard regularly. Analyze metrics to see which content resonates best with your audience. Make necessary adjustments to optimize engagement and reach. Evaluate the overall success of your syndication strategy after the campaign concludes. Use insights gained to refine future content syndication efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.